In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save customized reports in QuickBooks Online. Saving a customized report is a great way to avoid repeating the same changes over and over again, and it helps keep your reporting consistent across your business. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by running the report you want to customize. This might be something like a profit and loss, a balance sheet, a sales by product report, or any other standard report you use regularly. Open it from the Reports tab as you normally would, so you're looking at the basic version of that report. Once the report is open, look for the Customize button, usually near the top right of the report. Go ahead and click Customize to open up the customization panel. This is where you can tailor the report to match exactly what you want to see. Now, make your adjustments. You can change the date range so the report covers the specific period you're interested in, like last month, last quarter, or a custom date range. You can also add or remove columns, such as account types, customers, products, or classes, depending on what's available for that particular report. Take a moment to explore the Filters section as well. Here you can narrow down the data, for example, by customer, vendor, location, or other criteria that matter to your workflow. The goal is to shape this report into something you'll want to reuse. When you're happy with how the report looks, it's time to save it. Look for a button that says either Save As or Save Customization. The wording can be slightly different depending on the version or view of QuickBooks Online you're using, but it will be in that same top area of the report. Click that button to start saving your custom version. A window will appear with a field called Report Name. Enter a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize this report later. For example, you might call it Monthly Profit and Loss by Class, or Sales by Customer, Last 30 Days. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to find the right report in the future. Once you've named your report, click Save to finalize the process. QuickBooks will store that customized version for you. To access it later, just go back to the Reports section, then look for the Custom Reports tab or link. Your newly saved report will appear there, ready to run with the same settings you just created, saving you time every time you need it.